Last year, the National Bureau for Non-Governmental Organizations suspended 54 civil society organizations citing lack of accountability, a claim the National NGO Forum dismissed as a government plot to further narrow civic space. Earlier, Parliament had directed the Minister of Internal Affairs to set up an NGO board to supervise the Bureau and an Adjudication Committee for redress by aggrieved NGOs. The Minister is yet to act.
Good morning, everyone.
Members of the NGO Forum now think Parliament should suspend funding to the Bureau until the Supervisory Body and Adjudication Committee are in place.
As part of our stakeholder contribution, nominations were sent in October 2020 for our representation on the Board and Adjudication Committee. We don't understand why the Minister has failed to appoint the Board, and we are going to appeal to Parliament to suspend the budget until this Bureau functions as per the NGO Act 2016.
The National NGO Forum wants the state to address these governance issues in 2022. Corruption and poor state of public services, sustainability of public debt, working conditions of health workers, adherence to rule of law and respect for human rights.
We want to make an appeal and urge the executive. And when I talk about the executive, I'm specifically referring to the President of the Republic of Uganda, who suspended the DGF funding modalities to civil society organizations. That as a result of this suspension, a lot of activities have been paralyzed and citizens are suffering.
The Ministry of Internal Affairs is yet to respond to the latest call from the NGO Forum.
In its New Year press conference, the NGO Forum added its voice to call on Ugandans to turn up in big numbers and get vaccinated for COVID-19. Muhumuza, NTV.